Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I will present my part regarding technical and vocational education and training or TVET. TVET is an education and training system that focuses on developing practical, technical and occupational skills required by industries. Unlike conventional academic education, TVET emphasizes hands-on learning and real workplace experience to prepare individuals for employment. In Malaysia, TVET has become an important strategy in developing skilled human capital. It is offered through institutions such as polytechnics, community college, Mara industrial training institutes, and Mara skill institutes. Through industry training, apprenticeships, and competency-based learning, TVET helps produce graduates who are equipped with the skills needed in today's job market.
Next is the contributions of TVET program. Firstly, TVET produce skilled workers by providing practical training and hands-on learning experience. Students gain specialized skills in areas such as engineering, information technology, construction, and hospitality. Through workshops and industrial training, they become job-ready and are able to perform their work professionally. Secondly, TVET reduce skill mismatch between graduates and industry requirements. TVET programs are designed according to employers' needs and are continuously updated based on technological development. As a result, graduates possess relevant skills and have better employment opportunities. Lastly, TVET improve workforce quality by developing both technical and soft skills, including communication, teamwork, leadership, and problem-solving abilities. These skills help employees become more productive and innovative, which enhance organizational performance and contributes to sustainable economic growth.
One of the main contributions of TVET is creating employment opportunities. TVET graduates are highly valued because they possess practical skills and industry-specific competencies. As a result, many graduates are able to secure employment shortly after completing their studies, helping to reduce employment rates. TVET graduates can work in many sectors including manufacturing, construction, automotive, information technology, hospitality, agriculture and renewable energy. Since TVET programs are designed according to industry needs, graduates often match the requirements of their employers. Another advantage is industrial attachment and apprenticeship programs. During their studies, students undergo industrial training where they gain working experience and develop professional skills. Many employers offer permanent positions to trainees who perform well during their internship. Besides employment, TVET also encourages entrepreneurship. Graduates can establish their own businesses such as automotive workshop, catering services, electrical services, or digital businesses. This will not only create self-employment but also provide job opportunities for others. Furthermore, TVET graduates may enjoy better salaries due to their specialized technical skills and professional certifications. Some graduates also have opportunities to work abroad in countries such as Singapore, Japan, and Germany, where there is high demand for skilled workers.
TVET plays an important role in entrepreneurship development by producing skilled and competent entrepreneurs. Through practical training, graduates are encouraged to become self-employed and start business based on their expertise, reducing dependence on limited job opportunities. Besides technical skill, TVET also develop entrepreneurial knowledge in areas such as business planning, financial management, marketing, and leadership. At the same time, it nurtures creativity, innovation, and risk-taking abilities. This skill enable graduates to create value-added products and services and become more competitive in the business environment. Entrepreneurship development through TVET contributes significantly to economic development. Businesses established by TVET graduates create employment opportunities and support the growth of SMEs, helping to reduce unemployment. These businesses also stimulate local economic activities by increasing demand for workers, services, and materials. As a result, household income and community welfare improve. Overall, TVET strengthens economies, resilience, and contribute to more inclusive and sustainable economic growth.
Next, I will discuss how TVET contributes to increasing national productivity and competitiveness. TVET provides industry-relevant skills through practical and hands-on learning experiences. Unlike traditional education, TVET focuses on preparing students with skills that can be directly applied in the workplace. This helps graduates become job-ready and capable of contributing to economic growth. Therefore, TVET plays an important role in strengthening a country's competitiveness in the global market. One of the key contributions of TVET is the development of a highly skilled workforce. Through practical training and industry exposure, students gain the technical knowledge and competencies required by employers. Skilled workers can perform tasks more efficiently, maintain quality standards, and reduce operational errors. This helps organizations improve their overall performance and productivity. As a result, TVET contributes significantly to both organizational success and national economic growth. TVET also supports technological advancement and industrial growth. As industries increasingly depend on automation, digital systems, and advanced technologies, workers need relevant technical skills to remain competitive. TVET institutions regularly update their curriculum to meet current industry requirements. This enables graduates to adapt quickly to technological changes and contribute to the innovation in the workplace. Consequently, businesses can improve efficiency, increase production capacity, and support long-term industrial development. Another important contributions of TVET is reducing dependence on foreign workers. By providing vocational and technical training, TVET helps produce local workers with the skill needed by industries. This allows employers to require qualified local talent while creating more job opportunities for citizens. In addition, a skilled local workforce makes a country more attractive to investors because businesses can easily access the labor they need. This ultimately contributes to economic growth and stronger global competitiveness. In conclusion, TVET plays a vital role in increasing national productivity and competitiveness. It develops a skilled workforce, supports technological and industrial growth, and reduces reliance on foreign labor. The practical nature of TVET ensures that graduates are well prepared for the modern workplace. Therefore, the continuous investment in TVET is essential for sustainable economic development and maintaining a competitive position in the global economy.
Various initiatives have been introduced to strengthen TVET implementation in Malaysia. One important initiative is industry training or internship programs, which provide students with real workplace exposure and practical experience. Another initiative is collaboration between TVET institutions and industries. Through this partnership, co-industries contribute to curriculum development, provide modern equipment, organize workshops, and offer professional certification programs. TVET institutions also promote entrepreneurship and community engagement activities. Students are trained in business planning, financial management, and marketing to encourage self-employment. At the same time, community services activities allow students to apply these technical skills while contributing positively to society.
Next, the effectiveness of TVET. TVET is effective because it equips individuals with the skills and knowledge required by employment. Through practical and technical training, students gain competencies that are highly valued in various industries. As technology continues to develop, companies need workers who can operate modern equipment and adapt to workplace demands. Therefore, TVET has prepared a skilled workforce and increases graduates' chance of securing employment. Another factor that contributes to the effectiveness of TVET is a strong collaboration with industry partners. Through internships, industrial training, and workplace learning opportunities, students gain valuable practical experience before entering full-time employment. Industry involvement also helps ensure that the curriculum remains relevant to current market demands and technological development. As a result, graduates are better prepared for employment, while employers benefit from having skilled workers who can meet organizational needs. TVET is also effective because it promotes lifelong learning and continuous skills development. As industries evolve due to technological advancements, workers need to regularly update their knowledge and competencies. TVET institutions provide various training and upskilling programs that allow individuals to learn new skills and remain competitive in the labor market. This is not only improve individual job performance but also increases national productivity and contributes to economic growth.
TVET contributes significantly to economic development by producing a skilled and industry-ready workforce that meet labour market demands. Through practical training and industry exposure, graduates are better prepared for employment to have industry improve productivity and remain competitive. TVET also enhance graduate employability and reduce unemployment, especially among young people. As more individuals gain employment, household income and purchasing power increase, stimulating economic activities. In addition, TVET encourage entrepreneurship and support the growth of SMEs by equipping graduates with technical and entrepreneurial skills. It also promotes innovation and technological advancement by enabling graduates to adopt new technologies and improve work process. Overall, these contributions support long-term and sustainable economic development.
Next is the challenges of TVET. Firstly, negative public perception is one of the main challenges of TVET. Many people still think that TVET is only suitable for students who are weak in academics. Because of this mindset, many parents prefer university education and underestimate the value of TVET. Secondly, funding limitations also affect the development of TVET. TVET institutions need modern machines, workshops, and equipment to provide practical training. However, limited financial support makes it difficult to upgrade facilities and maintain the quality of education. Thirdly, TVET faces rapid technological change. Industries are becoming more advanced through automation and digitalization. Therefore, TVET institutions must continuously update their curriculum and train teachers so that students can learn the latest skills. Lastly, there is a skill mismatch in certain sectors. Sometimes, the skills taught in TVET institutions do not fully meet industry requirements. As a result, some graduates face difficulties in finding suitable jobs even though industries still need skilled workers. In conclusion, TVET has great potential in producing a skilled workforce, but these challenges must be addressed through cooperation between the government, educational institutions, industries, and society.
One of the major challenges in improving TVET is funding and resources. TVET requires significant financial investment because it relies on practical training, specialized equipment, and modern technologies. However, limited funding can result in outdated facility and equipment, affecting the quality of teaching and practical training. It can also limit instructional development and industry collaboration, reducing graduate readiness for the labor market. Therefore, continuous financial support and effective resource allocation are essential to strengthen TVET implementation.
Next, I will explain industry collaboration, which is one of the challenges in implementing TVET. Firstly, there is weak cooperation between TVET institutions and industries. Many companies are not actively involved in developing training programs or sharing their expertise with students. Secondly, some companies are reluctant to collaborate because it requires additional time, cost, equipment, and experienced staff to supervise students during training. Besides that, limited collaboration creates a skills mismatch. TVET institutions may not receive updates on new technologies and market demands, causing students to learn skills that are less relevant to current industry needs. Another issue is the limited number of industrial training placement. As the number of TVET students increase, not enough companies provide practical training opportunities, and some students do not receive training related to their field. Finally, poor communication between schools and companies make it difficult for both parties to understand each other's needs. In conclusion, stronger collaboration between industries and TVET institutions is important to ensure students to gain relevant skills, valuable experience, and better employment opportunities after graduation.
Students' perception towards TVET has become increasingly positive due to greater awareness of its benefits. Many students recognize that TVET provides practical skills, workplace exposure, and better employment opportunities. This advantage helps improve their confidence and readiness for employment. However, some negative perceptions still exist. TVET is sometimes viewed as a second choice pathway compared to university education. Despite the government initiative, industry collaboration, and awareness campaign have helped improve public and confidence in TVET. In conclusion, TVET is increasingly recognized as a valuable education pathway that contributes to employability, community development, and national economic growth.
Next, I will discuss curriculum relevance in TVET. One of the most important challenges in TVET is ensuring that curriculum remains relevant to current industry and technological developments. As technology continues to evolve, industries require workers with updated knowledge and skill. When students learn relevant and practical content, they are better prepared to perform tasks and solve problems in the workplace. Therefore, curriculum relevance is essential in helping graduates remain competitive and employable in today's labor market. TVET institutions must continuously update their curriculum to keep pace with technological advancements. Modern industries increasingly use automation, artificial intelligence, digital systems, and Industry 4.0 technologies. If these elements are not included in the curriculum, graduates may lack the skills required by employers. By regularly reviewing and improving learning content, TVET institutions can ensure that students gain relevant knowledge and are well prepared for future workplace challenges. Another important factor in curriculum relevance is collaborations with industry partners, employers, and professional organizations. These stakeholders provide valuable input regarding the skills and competencies required in the workforce. Through close cooperation, TVET institutions can design programs that match industry expectations and labor market demands. This helps students apply their knowledge immediately after graduation and increases their readiness for employment. As a result, both students and employers benefit from a more relevant and effective education system.
Several recommendations can improve the effectiveness of TVET. First, the government should increase funding and provide liquid resources so that institutions can upgrade their facility and training equipment. Second, stronger collaboration between TVET, institution and industry is essential through industrial training and curriculum development to ensure graduates meet labor market demands. Third, awareness campaigns should be implemented to improve public perception of TVET and encourage more students to consider technical and vocational education. Finally, the TVET curriculum should be regularly updated to keep pace with technological advancement and industry needs. This improvement will enhance graduate employability and support sustainable economic growth.
In conclusion, TVET plays an important role in helping Malaysia's economic development by producing skilled and industry-ready workers. Through practical training and real-world experience, TVET graduates gain the knowledge and skills needed by industries. TVET also help create employment opportunities, encourage entrepreneurship, and increase national productivity and competitiveness. However, TVET still face several challenges, especially limited funding and incomplete facilities. Therefore, the government and industry must continue supporting TVET by improving facilities and increasing awareness about its importance. By addressing these challenges, TVET can continue producing highly skilled workers and contribute to Malaysia's sustainable economic growth.